called GEVOs. Hey, speaking of Burlington Northern Railroad, there's one of their grain cars. This train is going to be interesting because sometimes they have a mix of their old logo and then their new logo.
I saw that.
And then they'll have BNs and some white, some grayish ones in between. See, I thought it was going to be an NS grain train. It would be all dark gray with NS. Nope, I was wrong. I think the last time I saw one like this, it had a KCS unit leading with one of those pumpkins trailing. There comes one of their old logos.
Is it very often that one whole train like this comes by?
Not very often. I would say once a month and then 7 times. I don't know. Not very much. They're as needed. I have tons of videos of trash trains.
I think that's where it's training.
Oh yeah, the graffiti.
But somebody's very talented.
It's illegal though.
Well, it might be illegal, but it's still, some of the stuff that's still very talented. They should be doing something that is doing something very artistic.
Hey, there's an odd one.
Yeah, do they carry a ladder with them?
They carry grain and it looks like they're...
No, do the graffiti people, do they carry a ladder with them?
A ladder?
Yeah, how did they get way up there on top of that?
They were probably sitting in an unprotected train yard and the ground's usually even in train yards and they were like, done. You know, I know people who ride these kinds of trains across the country.
Where do they ride?
It's legal, but it's called train hopping. They hop on these freight trains and they just go with it, and then they catch one back the other direction. Pretty stupid.
On the top?
No, they sit in the middle, where the brake system is. Although one side is just plain and it doesn't have the brake system. So like in that, oh wait, that one's facing the, here, we gotta wait for one that doesn't have its brake. In that little cubby right there.
Well, if the train sits long enough, they could jump on it.
Oh, they run with the train to get on. I've seen it. Actually, surprisingly enough, I was here when the Illinois terminal came through and it was like, hey, I think this is the exact same grain train that we saw the KCS pulling, Mommy. Last October. It's the exact same one! Except it came through Cove instead. AOK. X. Huh? Well, because it has gray, it has some VNs too, just like the other one.
They all work the same to me. Yeah, those are pretty colors.
What about this one? Look at that one. Bye. Great concept. I think it's gonna go over the bridge so Alex can get it. bent it. It looks like it was shot a couple of times with a gun or something. Oh, that's funny. That's funny.
Is that a BNSF?
Object marker, yeah.